it's Nicole, and today I have my August 2019 Boxycharm unboxing. Now, before I do get into this video, I did want to just say that my July 2019 Boxycharm, I am pretty like 80%, 90% sure I did film that. Like, I remember filming it. I had the swatches down and everything. I usually have Boxycharm videos. I like them to go up the first week of the next month, just because at that point I still have not received my next month Boxy. So that's usually what happens. But the last week of July, I was out, or I was trying to, my family was going on a trip to go to Hawaii. And so that last week of July, I did film, but I was very focused on getting things packed and ready, so I wasn't doing it at the last minute. So I have it filmed. Like, I remember filming it. I have swatches, everything saved on my phone. And then I did have my iPad with me in Hawaii. But this trip was dedicated to just spending time with my family, spending time with my sister before we took her to college, and just relaxing and having a good time. So I did not worry about my Boxycharm or video or anything. I didn't want to have any stress or drama with an editor. So again, that video will hopefully come up sometime soon. It will be late, and I deeply, deeply apologize. I hate when my Boxies go up late. It's either late or never. Most of the time they don't go up at all, just because like there's Kathleen Light's video. Like, if I never upload a video, I would say go watch Kathleen Light's videos, just because like I have said in previous videos, most of the time when I watch Kathleen Light's videos, me and her have the same products in our box. Like 90% of the time we have the exact same products. So again, I deeply apologize that the July Boxycharm is not up, but I have the August box. I tried these products. So I'm ready to give y'all my thoughts on this box for this month. Okay, so first is the little card, and the theme this month is totally, I think it was like a throwback to 90s theme. So like most of the stuff in here is pink, so you will see that. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have 5 products here. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get to the box. So the first thing is this. Now, this is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And now here's my thing with face oils. I have dry but also oily and very acne prone, well, not very, but like on a scale of 1 to 10, like I'm a 5 of acne prone skin. My skin is very annoying because when it comes to like facial products like primers, moisturizers, stuff like that, I have to be very, very careful because it can break me out very fast. Now, this, when I did try this, which I did, I tried it on my cheeks and my forehead, and I'm pretty sure I tried it on my chin too. I did not notice what it claims, and this is what it claimed. This is a multitasking beauty elixir that is supposed to instantly hydrate and absorb into the skin to help reveal a bouncy, youthful complexion. It says it doesn't matter what kind of skin type you have, it is a lightweight, powerful formula that nourishes and primes the skin to help restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. I personally, on my skin, I did not notice any more of a glow than like what my chin has right now, and like there's powder on it, but like everywhere else it's like pretty matte, just because like I said, I have more so oily skin than dehydrated skin, so I tend to like mattify my skin. So this product just did not work. Here, like you'll see somewhere, I think it'll be on the side of the screen. It's like really pretty. It's really pink. There is no strong scent to it. I was really down to try this product because, you know, facial oils I'm always down to try. I'm still very putting my toe in the water with facial oils just because, like I said, acne prone skin. But this product, it did not work for me. I did not notice the glow that it claims to have given. So this is a complete pass for me. But this retails for $42, so I think that's kind of insane that this little bottle is $42, but she's in my declutter bin. Was not a fan. Next is this little thing. This is the Steve Laurent lip liner in the shade Vogue. This lip liner claims to, where is it? It claims to be completely waterproof, claims that there is no transferring or bleeding, and it claims to last up to 7 hours. Now, I did not open it because I don't wear lip liners, and if I were to, I wouldn't use ones like this. Again, I watched Kathleen Light's videos before, you know, like hers is the only Boxycharm video I watch. because like I said, most of the time we have the same exact products. And she got this in her box, and she did not like the formula of the wooden, like, it's a legit wooden pencil. And most of the time when we have wooden pencils like eyeliners or lips, I have swatched some in the past and they're just not as creamy and they drag and it's just not good. And I personally rather have a nice creamy lip liner and eyeliner than a pencil. The shade's really pretty for fall and everything, but like I would not use this. So this retails for $15, and it's in my to-go bin because I never use lip liners. So yeah. Next product is something I was really excited for. This is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara in the shade Black. First of all, Tarte is my favorite brand. I love Tarte. Yeah, like my favorite high-end brand is Tarte. I love their eyeshadow palettes. I love their lips. I'm still like testing out their mascaras and stuff, but I really love their products. So I was really excited to see this. This product claims to be a vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So this is what it looks like. I can get into it. So here's what it looks like. It's nice neon pink packaging, which I really like. And it's like a nice good metal sturdy. And then the wand looks like this, and it looks like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I personally am not a fan of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have better formulas out there that are at the drugstore. Now this one is kind of hard for me to fully test, and when I wasn't the hugest fan. Ones like this that are kind of like this big and like chunky, I have to be very careful with because I wear contacts, and so typically they didn't want me to put my contacts in before I did mascara, but I was like, I can't do it after because it'll get everywhere. So like if I poke my eye with this with my contacts in, it's game over. And so I have to be very careful. I can't really get fully to the root of my lashes. I usually use this for my bottom lash, if anything, and it's not like a very amazing mascara that I'm gonna be obsessed with. I will continue to try it, and then the next time I do a declutter, this will be gone. Or this will probably go to my mom if she wants to try it. But I was really disappointed because, like, again, I love Tarte. There's no shade at Tarte. Like, you know, not every product works for everybody. But it just sucks. Like, I really wanted to like it, but the formula just doesn't work for me. But like I said, I'm going to test it one last time, and then maybe my mom can try it. But this mascara retails for $23, so pretty good deal. So next are these, which are actually really interesting. These are by Ace Beauty, and these are the Glimmer eyeshadows. Now, these remind me of ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, which I literally have right here. Like, the packaging is the exact same. It's just pink and everything. Like, it's crazy. But I got these in the box, and there was either like a light pink and a gold, or the shades that I got. So this is the shade Huckleberry, and it's actually really interesting too because it feels also just like the ColourPop eyeshadows. They're really nice and everything. So that's Huckleberry. Like, Huckleberry is a really pretty, like, pinky purple shade, but I just don't wear shades like that. And then I'm wearing this shade on my lid. Like, I have another shimmer shade underneath it, but this is, like, on top. This is in the shade French Vanilla, which every time I wear this shade, I am very, very happy with how my eyeshadow looks. Like, it's a stunning, like, silver, but it's not too silver, and I use a concealer brush to apply that, and it looks really bomb. But I really love the formula of this. Again, they're like the ColourPop Super Shock shadows, and I noticed that, like, with Super Shock shadow, at least the last one I tried, not the one I have right now, applying with a brush just didn't work as well, whereas patting it in with a finger, where these actually work better, or they work good with fingers or a brush. So like I was saying, I used this Be Gotcha's concealer brush to apply the silver one on, like, right here, and it gave me no trouble at all. Like, I really love putting the silver on top of a brown because it just really brings out my eyes. So I really like this. I wish I could have gotten like the silver and the gold because I would never use the shade. So with that being, like, again, it's a really stunning shade. I'll have closer up swatches on this side of the screen. It's just, if I have to be honest, like, I don't really have much silver eyeshadows, so I would rather keep this one and give this to a friend to experience like this interesting eyeshadow. But this also just has a bit more shimmer to it than the pink one does, but they're still really cool, and it's just interesting that another brand has something like ColourPop. But these two retail, I think, like, oh, so it's a glimmer shadow duo. So these claim to be soft shadows with a creamy texture, specifically designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. And I do have to agree, like, there is not a lot of fallout. Like, maybe there's like one, like the tiniest bit of fallout with the silver, but yeah, there's no like fallout at all. I don't have creasing on my lid at all. That's bad. So I really like this, but the duo cost $25. So again, you either get these two shades or it was like a light pink and a gold. So I'm gonna get rid of this one, but like keep the silver because this literally, I fall in love every time I use this on my eyes. Another good thing about these, I would like to say, is that like when I remove it, there's not all this glitter. Like there's still small specks of glitter that you can't really see on here, but like looking at it, there's just little, not too much. So, excuse me. So that's, oh, of course, a plus. So last product we have in our box was something that I was so ready for. Okay. So last product is something I was very excited for. I know Kathleen loves this powder, and I know Tati loves this powder. So I was like, okay, if Tati and Kathleen both like this powder, okay, no, not, then this has to be a hit. So this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. There's no like shades or anything, but it was either like this light shade or a dark shade. So I got the light shade. So this is what it looks like. I don't have too many Becca products. Like the only Becca product I have currently is a highlight. But this is what it looks like. And when you open it up, it has this little like thing right here. Yeah, my nails are weak. It has this little like thing right here, so not a lot of powder gets out, and then I'm trying so hard not to like not spill it, but there is a net right there. This powder is the most interesting powder I have ever experienced. When I opened it, because there was I don't know where it was, there was like a little sheet. When the powder, like, I opened this and it like, you know, that dust cloud or whatever, it literally felt like I was spraying my arm with facial mist. It's the craziest thing. Like, it's cooling and it doesn't feel like a lot of powder is going on. Like, it feels like you wet your brush and you're putting it onto your skin, which it kind of like freaks you out because you know to not wet your brush with a powder, especially like facial powder. But like my face sets really nicely. It blurs. The only issue I've had with it was like right here. I don't know if I like put too much of the powder on or what the issue was, but like I would apply it and then I would notice it was just like right here. There's like a little, I guess like a cast of just powder just sitting right here. It was only this spot, and I don't understand until like I had to go in with my finger to like pat it away. But today I didn't put too much powder on, but my skin looked really nice and matte. These are gonna be the death of me. I really like this powder. Like it's not like too matte. Like it makes my skin look like actual skin, which I really do like, especially in summertime. So this powder is really nice. It intrigues me how it feels. But yes, it's a weightless powder that sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. It says it's formulated with 50% water, which blows my literal mind. Like, y'all, please go to a Sephora and, like, if they have an Ulta and they have this powder, please, like, try it because it is so interesting and weird. Like, you have to experience it. It says this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin, which it really does, and it has a seamless finish and comfortable feel. This powder retails for $39, and I told my mom, I was like, watch, I'm gonna fall in love with this powder. I'm going to be screwed because it's $39. But thankfully, I think this powder is more for like just a chill makeup day because, like I said, it's not like, it doesn't add any coverage like my other powders do. Anyways, This is just like for, you know, if I want concealer, powder, blush, mascara, maybe a lip gloss kind of day. That's where I go for. Or again, like days like, you know, where I'm doing a photo shoot and I want my skin to look like skin. This is the powder. So basically, if you want your skin to look like skin, but like still like make your skin look kind of flawless in a way, get this powder. I think it's worth the $39.99, or $39, not 99, $39. I don't know how many shades they have of this. I should probably look that up. So there's only 2 shades, which is original, a creamy beige, and then the other shade, which is a golden bronze, which is a warm tan. So basically, yeah, that's all the shades, which I really wish that they would extend, but this is also a Best of Beauty on Allure. But I really love this powder. Like, my skin, even though my acne scar, we're gonna ignore that, my skin just looks so nice. So I highly, highly love this powder. But that is everything in my box. We're gonna do the math to see. So 39 plus 42 plus 23, 25, 15. So like I say every time, you pay 21 bucks a month for 5 to 6 full-size products. They are like, you know, these brands. There might be like one brand that you don't know fully, but you know, hey. So the amount of what I got in my box this month is $144. And again, I paid $21 a month for this box. So I think that's a really good steal. Again, I have 2 good products in here that I'm really in love with. Like, I can't shut up about them. Which again is the Becca powder and the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow in French Vanilla. Like, these 2, I am satisfied. I am happy. I actually might keep that. We're gonna keep it. Because it's intriguing. Don't at me. Y'all know, like, I am missing a powder. There we go. But yeah, that was my box. Was it my favorite box? No, but like, you know, there was really good there's really good products in this box. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, you totally should. I have Boxycharm unboxings. I got vlogs. I got makeup videos coming. I know I say it almost in every Boxy video, but I am working on makeup videos that I have filmed, and I'm just holding to see what my editor thinks when I get that editor. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are, and yeah, bye guys.